In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature to your email address through Google Workspace. This process is quick and efficient, taking just about 5 minutes of your time. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Google Workspace. If you're not already familiar, Google Workspace is the suite of tools that provides professional email, cloud storage, and calendars. You'll need access to this platform, typically available for business accounts, to manage details like email signatures. Once you're there, you will need to find the admin console. This is essentially your control center where you can manage various account settings and preferences. Next, log in using your business email account credentials. This part is fairly straightforward. Enter your details and proceed by clicking Next or the Sign In button. After you're in, your next step will be to locate the Google Apps menu. It's usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and from the list that appears, select Gmail. This is where we'll be making all the magic happen. When you're inside your Gmail settings, look for the settings icon again in the top right corner. This little gear is your gateway to customizing your Gmail experience, including adding signatures. Click on it, then select See All Settings. This will take you to a more detailed view of all the options you have to tailor your Gmail setup. Start scrolling down until you find the signature section. This is where you can manage your email signatures. You'll notice a button labeled Create New. Go ahead and click it. Now, here's a little personal touch. You'll be prompted to name your signature. This name won't appear in emails, but it can be helpful if you plan to create multiple signatures for different purposes or departments. Now comes the creative part. Use the signature editor that appears to craft your unique signature. This editor allows you to include text, links, and even images like logos. Remember, a professional looking signature usually includes your full name, your job title, and some form of contact information like a phone number or alternate email. You can also add links to your company's website or your social media profiles if AP'd. Once you've finalized your design, the last step is crucial. Don't forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This ensures all your hard work is saved and your new signature is ready to be added to your outgoing emails. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up an email signature through Google Workspace. Customize as needed and enjoy the professionalism it brings to your emails. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.